friends, praise the Lord. There was a Zen master, his name was Lao Tzu. He was on his deathbed when his disciples approached him, asking him his final farewell message. Disciples asked him, "Master, how is it that you are always so joyful, calm and serene, even in the midst of all the difficulties of life that you faced?" The Master smiled and answered them, "Every morning I had two choices. First, to feel frustrated, angry, rejected on whatever wrong that was going on in my life. Or second, to be happy, joyful and blissful and grateful for all the good that was going on in my life." And fortunately, till this moment, I have always opted for the second choice. Dear brothers and sisters, in the midst of this corona, in the chaos of this pandemic, only one thing that can make you and your family blissful is to choose to be mentally strong and mentally fit and mentally healthy. And now you will ask me how to do that. How to be mentally strong in the midst of this pandemic, in the midst of all the news that you are bombarded with each and every moment. So I'll give you two simple tricks. First, start writing gratitude every day. Before you start your morning work, before you start your day, take a pen and a paper and start writing in small sentences all the things, all the people for whom and for which you are grateful. For example, I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for the food that I enjoy. I am grateful for the health. And like that, all the small things. And second, sit down and practice meditation. You can find out lots and lots of guided meditation these days on YouTube. Sit down, make yourself still for 15 to 20 minutes. You might not get instant results, but in the coming few days, you will experience blissfulness in whatever you are doing. When you write gratitude and when you practice meditation, what basically you are doing is you are telling your mind, you are training your mind to focus only on the positivity and not on the negativity. So choose joy over pain and peace over pandemic. Have a beautiful day, a mentally fit and healthy day. God bless you. Praise the Lord.